Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel today. And as you can tell, I'm in the kitchen because I'm getting ready to try a new recipe. So let me put the camera down over here and I will get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel today. And I'm getting ready to try a new recipe, so I'm in the kitchen again. So let me put my camera down and I will get started on this recipe. Okay, here I am right here. This recipe is one that I found on another channel that I watch. And it is a cooking channel, but he's only got 15 videos on there because he does most of his videoing on TikTok. But I did find this one he does have a YouTube channel, and I found this one on a YouTube channel. Now, this particular recipe is a 1932 Depression era recipe. And as you know, during the Depression, there was times when there were certain ingredients that they were unable to get. I know for sure sugar, because I can remember hearing my grandma and them talking about how they had to have a ticket or a coupon to get sugar. But they probably also had trouble getting flour and eggs, maybe even butter. So they had to make do and cook with whatever they had on hand. So I guess that's what this recipe evolved from. Okay, and the name of the channel that I found it on is B. Dylan Hollis. The first part of his name is just B. Dylan Hollis. And this is called peanut butter bread. So let me show you the ingredients that are going to go into it. Now, the first thing you put into it is 2 cups of flour. And it didn't say if it was self-rising flour or regular all-purpose. So I just have all-purpose flour in there. Then you need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And I have that in here. 1/4 cup of sugar, which I put in this little measuring cup. A pinch of salt, which I have that in here. I'm going to shake it in my hand and pinch some out. 1 1/3 cups of whole milk, which I have in here. And 1/2 cup of peanut butter, which in here. And it says you mix it all together and place in a greased pan, 350 degree, for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and check with a toothpick. So I'm going to start putting everything in here with a spoon to mix it with. First, I'm going to add my flour. Then I'm going to make like a little well in the center. Then I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to stir that up a little bit before I add my baking soda. Next, I will add my baking soda, or baking powder rather, and a pinch of salt. And to do the pinch of salt, I'm going to shake it in my hands like this and just pinch out a couple of little pinches. That's going to be enough on that. And I'm going to stir these together. Now, I think I'll add the peanut butter next. Fire truck or an ambulance going by out there. I live real close to the ambulance department, so anytime they leave, I pretty much get that. I've got everything mixed except the milk, so I'm going to add that last. And then we'll mix it up. Okay, here's what it looks like all mixed up. And now we're going to pour it into the pan. And I'm just using a regular bread loaf pan that I've greased and floured. Here's what it looks like in the pan. And now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for an hour and 10 minutes. Then when it gets done, I'll come back and show you how it turns out. Okay, and we're back, and here's the bread. It is all finished. Let me see if I can raise it up a little bit for you to look at. It's very pretty. Look at that loaf. It's beautiful. I just hope it tastes as good as it looks. So now I'm going to try a little slice, see what I think about it. I let it cool down a little bit. That's what it looks like finished. And now I will sample it. It's really good. And it's not real sweet because it didn't have a lot of sugar in it. And I guess that's because of the type of recipe that it was. They had to be very conservative with their sugar. But it does taste good. I like it. I think it would make an excellent peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You know, because it's peanut butter bread. Maybe put it in a bowl and strawberries and whipped cream on top. But yeah, it's really good. It's simple. It didn't have a whole lot of ingredients. Most of the ingredients that it had were some that anybody would have on hand in their house. So y'all could make it. But yes, I did like it. Here's what it looks like. Very good. So thank you guys for coming to our channel. I'm wearing my baker's hat. And y'all come back and see us any old time. Bye for this one. Hey, there you are. You are simply amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Come back again.